Oh.
Mukhang maganda to, ha? Mukhang maganda yung O, ha? Ramdam ko na maganda yung O, eh.
Ang ganda niya. Okay, una sa lahat, no, ito yung buong question para sa taon mo. Like, parang constant question siya. What are you willing to do?
What are you...
5 of coins. What are you willing to do in terms of career, in terms of love, in terms of like improving yourself? And I got here the Wheel of Fortune. And ang Wheel of Fortune, sabi ko nga everything will be read in upright position. But this is recognizing na pag nasa taas ka, you have to be to ground yourself.
Okay.
You have to be humble. Pag nasa baba ka naman, there's always hope na iikot ulit yung wheel at continuous yung wheel mo. No, so parang ka nag-undergo ng metamorphosis ngayon eh.
Okay.
So, ngayon siguro parang kakalabas mo lang sa cocoon mo. Pero, hindi naman natatapos ang pangarap ng isang paru-paro. Wow! Sa
butterfly pala ako.
sa paglipad. Kasi nga parang siyang process ng Kumbaga, kailangan mo mag-undergo talaga ng cycle ng it's supposed to be uncomfortable for you to get the things that you want. Now, I got here the Fool. There's a new beginning for you. A lot of new opportunities na paparating for this year. Tignan natin wait lang. Titignan ko kung anong opportunity ito. Is this more on love ba?
Sana love. Damn.
Okay. I got here Knight of Swords. Yung opportunity actually, sanay kang i-pressure yung sarili mo with the Knight of Swords. And gusto mo na quick or you tend to be impatient sa mga bagay. But the universe is telling you right now, you'll get there, pero nasa the Fool moment ka pa lang. You're just starting. This is the Fool. Ito yung unang-unang card sa buong deck. So, ikaw, you are going to experience the whole deck. You are going to experience everything, a lot of things for this year. The ups and downs of the Wheel of Fortune.
So, matagal pa? Matagal pa?
Ang alin?
Yung pag-angat ko.
Hindi man... Ang Wheel of Fortune kasi sa bawat araw, we are experiencing this.
Okay.
Pero, yun nga ang tanong dito sa'yo, what are you willing to do to get that? Hindi tayo dedepende sa luck. Hindi ka dedepende sa mga ganong klase ng bagay. Instead, whatever it is that you are doing, the efforts na ginagawa mo, it will pay off.
Okay. Good to know.
It will pay off. And sobrang ganda ng The Fool card.
Okay.
Kasi it talks about hope. It talks about, new beginnings nga talaga siya for you.
Okay. New beginnings. Nakakainis. Tama yung Tama yung sinasabi.
Baka maiyak ako. Ay, may lumabas.
Okay, pili ka na lang dito. Oh, ito yung nakuha natin, ito yung nalaglag actually. So, ang ganda. Okay, so I got you here Force or Strength card.
Ano pong ibig sabihin nun? Hindi ko kasi alam.
Okay, for this year, it's a year of resilience, but of course, resilience shouldn't be romanticized all the time.
Kasi pagod naman.
Yes. I got you here Four of Cups. Ang Four of Cups ay pahinga. There will be a long pause for some reasons. Kumbaga, there will be like parang it could be 2 months na of nothingness. Or parang walang nangyayari. Or parang nasa pause ka lang talaga. It could be sa work. It could be dahil kailangan mo talaga siyang gawin. Kailangan mo talaga magpahinga.
Shucks.
Ito yung Four of Cups.
Baka ko na.
Now, I got here the Falling Tower in reverse. I don't usually read, sabi ko nga kanina, di ba, upright. Pero sige, gawin natin siyang reverse. This card is a representation of your physical self. No?
Falling Tower in reverse. So, nabubuo ba siya?
There will be a recovery. But I'm telling you, with the Strength card, if you want to be a strong person sa mga susunod pa na mga buwan, alam kong maraming pressure, pero kailangan mo ipaalala sa sarili mo na tao ka lang, na yung katawan mo ay may limitations. At pag hindi okay yung physical vessel mo, what's inside na apektuhan. It's all interconnected. So, if you're not well doon sa inside mo, naapektuhan yung physical aspects mo. And vice versa. So, ayun, yung pause na ito, wag mo siyang i-consider na, ilang months yan na unproductive ako. Pero, i-consider mo siya as, ilang months yan na I'm preparing myself for bigger opportunities na kailangan mas malakas din ako. So, yun yung 2024. It's all about taking care of yourself. Dali na ba to?
Oo.
Sige.
Okay, individual na reading
saya.
for 2024.
Oo. Na-excite ako.
Siya muna.
Pili ka natin isang card dyan. Kahit saan dyan, kahit sa ilalim, sa gitna.
Sige, para maiba.
Okay, Page of Cups, The Lovers.
Oy! Sabi ko na
Nakarinig ng lava.
Okay, pagdating sa love life, itong year na to, it's going to be good. It's going to be, about partnership. About
Ganda.
developing relationship. So if you're already in a relationship, I think that you are actually going to develop.
Wala akong
one.
karelasyon.
If
Single ako.
if
Kaya
you're
pwede
single,
tayo.
then I can see.
Alis na lang ba ako dito? Kaya sabi ko solo-solo na lang eh. Ganito yung mangyayari.
So, yung The Lovers, nakikita ko dito na kung paano ka makitungo. Actually,
Be, nagmukha kong waitress sa inyong dalawa.
May juice?
Mag-date na lang. Oh.
Bakit kinikilig ako sa'yo?
Hoy!
a Page of Cups, kasi ito, you're willing to invest for this, for a connection, like emotional investment, time as well. No? Maaaring baka yun yung mga nagkulang sa mga recent years. Yung baka mayroon ngang possible na person na nag-grow, pero wala namang, alam mo yun, wala yung mga ibang love languages na hinahanap mo. And this time, you're going to find someone with the Six of Cups. I can see.
I already found it.
No, for this year, developing a strong relationship.
Depende naman sa'yo yun. O, ikaw na.
The Richest Knight.
Ay.
I got force or strength.
Ay, yan, sa laki ba naman niya? Ewan ko ba
Oo,
naman?
sa lakas niya.
And nakikita ko dito yung strength, it has something to do with confidence.
Wow!
Being more, showy of what you're capable of.
Oo nga.
And
Capable.
Oo. Di mo pinakita mo pala.
Only fun.
Hermit is all about nurturing.
Ano yun?
Nakikita ko dito yung what's on the inside, it's actually very good. And as much as possible, no, ang advice dito is always allow yourself to be vulnerable or to give you kaysa yung ka. Like kasi that's what the hermit is all about eh. Allow yourself to ma-process mo yung thoughts mo. Kailangan mo siyang i-internalize bago mo mailabas yung mga bagay.
So dapat hindi pa dalos-dalos.
Oo. Pero, wag kang matakot maging vulnerable. Kaya nga sabi ko pagpag niyo yung energy.
Oo. Wasiwas mo gano'n. Ganon. Yun.
And the Knight of Coins, in terms of finances, walang problema.
O yung Torre Mar, sinasabi ko
Sa mga
na
susunod
eh.
na buwan, lalo na, wala pa tayo sa King of Coins moment, pero it's the Knight. So you're creating it. You're gonna create money for this year.
Toray, pautangin mo ko.
Oo naman.
Ayan.
Sino mo mag-uutangan? Ayaw tayo. In general.
Pili ka ng isa sa bawat pile. may kakatapos lang or may matatapos na this year. May mag-end
Okay.
with your life.
Sheena.
Ang galing ah. Oh. Okay.
End siya and it's only to start something new. I got, sobrang tamang-tama tong combination to. I got here death card, and I got the Fool. So, nandito tayo sa the Fool. Unahin natin siya. Ito yung pinakaunang card sa buong deck. So, ibig sabihin, this is all about new beginnings. And this is all about endings. Pero nakuha natin to ng una. Kasi sabihin may magtatapos at itong buong taon na ito, magagamit mo siya ng maayos, yung energy mo, not just your spiritual energy or yung energy na ina-imagine mo, pero yung energy, yung effort, yung work, yung physical na pagod or emotional din na investment dito sa bagay na to, magagamit mo siya sa tama at mas magandang sitwasyon. Now, I got here 3 of Swords. There was parang disappointment here or a little bit of disappointment with 3 of Swords. Hindi naman to 10 of Swords moment, but I feel like itong buong taon na to, ang tanong sa'yo sa buong taon na to is, paano mo siya lalagyan ng kulay? Kasi hindi naman lahat ng new beginnings masasabi mo na, ay, maganda to. Or pwedeng parang, at first, maganda lang siya sa isipin, pero yung result pala niya, hindi pala talaga. So, regardless kung mag-work lahat ng nasa isip mo or ng plano mo or hindi, basta lagyan mo siya ng kulay. Lagyan mo ng kwento at depth, lalim yung lahat ng ginagawa mo. So, ayun. Yung 2024 mo, it's really all about starting something, building yourself and what you have.
Uy!
Naniniwala ako.
Amazing.
Oo, ang galing niya.
Ang galing mo ah.
Naniniwala na ako sa'yo.
Okay, next.
Ang galing.
This year.
Hindi ba na pong hindi?
Lahat ng nasa taas.
Lahat na sa taas.
Wow, the Popes. And the High Priestess, balancing the heart and mind. Knight of Swords is being quick. Ooh, ang bilis. Ang daming travel as well. Okay.
Oh my God.
The Chariot kasi is all about traveling. Going from one place to another. At yung Knight of Swords is sobrang, itong year na to, action filled to sa'yo. So baka lang din may mga random moments na sobrang action filled niya na hindi mo na talaga lang ine-expect. Yung mga makikita mo ngayon, marami kang bucket list na ma-unlock or matitik doon sa listahan mo for this year. So that's the Knight of Swords and the Chariot. And the Popes is mas magiging balance ka this year. Ang Popes kasi is the High Priestess sa ibang mga deck of cards. Pero yung artist kasi nitong deck na to, Popes yung ginamit. So, High Priestess is your yin and your yang. Balancing yung good and bad and recognizing as well na hindi lahat ng magandang ginagawa mo ay may maganda rin na resulta. Minsan ginagawa lang natin talaga yung mga bagay na yun kasi kailangan.
Serious legit.
Legit!
B, ang galing
Galing.
mo.
That's
Okay.
the Popes. Higher understanding na hindi lahat ng gusto mong makuha ay makukuha mo, pero hindi mawawala sa'yo yung, it's not hope kasi pag may hope tayo, di ba, parang tang spectator lang. Pero yung power mo inside to actually make this happen. Make your goals happen for this year. And yun nga, ano ka naman passionate ka naman for this year for the Knight of Swords. Nakikita ko naman doon na napakabilis mo. Bilis. Mabilis kumilos. Mabilis yung mga pangyayari for this year. Knight of Swords. And the Sun Seven of Cups. Parang combination to ng mga lahat ng nakuha kanina. Okay. The Seven of Cups is comfort. At least this is something na you'll finally feel or achieve. For this year, yun yung comfort, and it's a luxury. And I got here Knight of Swords. Alam mo kung ano yung magiging dito? Yung konsepto mo ng oras mababago for this year. I mentioned earlier, it's a luxury. Yung oras mo, mas marirealize mo kung gaano siya ka-importante ngayong taon na to. At kung ano ang value ng bawat oras mo. Kung ano yung presyo ng bawat oras mo as well. Now, I got you here the Sun. So, with the Sun card, I can see na it's going to be a joyful year. A happy year. Na, yun yung quote-and-quote finally. Parang ganon. For this year. Na parang mas magaan compared sa mga previous years. Mas maano to, hindi to yung parang hindi ko i-allow ang sarili ko na mahirapan sa taon na to.
Hindi talaga.
Yes.
It's so perfect.
And with the Knight of Swords kasi you are of course, I can see about friends here. You are fighting for your friends or you'll fight for your friends.
Ay, oo.
It's so perfect.
Isa to sa magiging highlight ng year mo. Na okay lang na komportable naman ako, mas komportable ako ngayon. Bigyan ko na nga ng onting kapahamakan yung sarili ko basta masalba ko lang kayo.
Savior. Savior pala.
And minsan sa mga sobrang unexpected moments, hindi mo kailangang isipin sa sarili mo na I'm a hero or I'm a savior. Pero dumadating yun kasi nagiging reflection din siya ng kung anong prinsipyo mo sa mga kaibigan, prinsipyo sa mga taong kakilala mo. So yung Seven of Cups, dito ko nasabi yung comfort with this card. At yung the Sun, joy, happiness, Knight of Swords, fighting for the people you love. Siguro kaya gagawin ng universe na mas magaan itong taon na to sa'yo. Kasi mas kailangan mo makatulong doon sa mga tao na mas mabigat ang pinagdadaanan or mas mabigat pa ang pagdadaanan. Pakiramdaman mo, isang card sa bawat Wow. Queen of Coins. Ito yung ito yung queen na masasabi mong may nagawa to ngayong taon na to. Kumbaga kung may rap man, no, it's the end of the year rap. Oh my God, ang dami kong nagawa ngayong taon na to. I'm successful for this year. Nine of Cups is all about patience. But it has something to do with emotions.
Patience, kanino?
Patience, tingnan natin. There is this judgment.
Judgment?
Yes. The judgment card is hindi pa sure, pero we're getting there. Yung judgment card is kumbaga, sige, let's develop something here, no, with the Nine of Cups. Kasi ang Nine of Cups, na lang yan 1 cup away from 10 of Cups, which is happily ever after. Pero kailangan mo maghintay.
Gaano katagal?
With the Nine of Cups.
Ilang years pa?
Pero wait lang, parang di ba bago tayo mag-reach ng 10, dito muna tayo sa 9.
Okay.
So Nine of Cups, it talks about patience.
Okay.
Para matanggap mo kung ano yung gusto mo emotionally, kasi Cups, it talks about emotions. And Judgment is I feel like this year, ito yung pinakamagandang ipagpag mo. Yung kung ano yung sasabihin ng ibang tao. Just be yourself. Ang cliche man ng pero just be yourself.
Hayaan ko sila ganun.
Kasi merong tao sa paligid mo na walang tiwala sa'yo. Pero wag mong hahayaan na ikaw yun. Na ikaw yung walang tiwala doon sa kung sino ka.
Okay.
So, ayun. That's your year.
Sana.
Mo kinatok. Parang malas.
Ganun lang talaga.
Kanya-kanyang style yan.
Oo.
So yung iba wala namang ganyan. Sa kanya walang
Yung
katok
depende
kanina.
yung sa kanila, yung iba kasi sa iniinsensohan nila.
Talaga?
Ako parang katok-katok na lang.
Yung kaya dinuduraan nila yung card ba? Ako top cards lahat ko kanina.
Bakit?
Ba't napakialam mo?
Oh, wow, The Lovers. Kaya na ba nakukuha to na? Tatlong reading na yung nakuha tong The Lovers. At Queen of Coins.
Taray.
Kanina ko coins yung Queen of Coins.
Ako?
Yes. Tapos I got here The Lovers and The Hanged Man being trapped or stuck on something.
Hindi naman.
Huwag mo siyang anuhin.
Ano nga, yun nga parang, ang question sa'yo this year is parang same with, Toby. What's holding you?
Holding me back?
Yes. I mean,
So I'm trapped because I'm holding back? Or am I trapped because I have no choice?
well, it depends kung paano mo siya i-apply sa sarili mo.
Sa bagay.
At the end of the day, ikaw yung pinaka-makakasagot niya.
Baka kasi kinukulong mo sarili mo.
Pero, ang maganda dito kasi, with the Hanged Man in reverse,
Ikaw ba yung Ikaw ba si Lance?
this year,
Turuan mo nga ito Kasi parang kami yung opinion eh.
Sige. Okay.
Sige Lance, sorry.
yung Hanged Man is all about perspective. Kailangan kang ibitin patiwarik ng buhay para sa taon na to, para makita mo yung buhay sa ibang klase ng ibang kulay, ibang shapes, ibang baka yun yung naging stuck. Maybe this is not just about love. Maybe this is also about your principles in life or other aspects of your life. So kailangan kang ibitin patiwarik. Hindi naman literal, pero ganun yung concept.
So kailangan, kumbaga,
Paluin, gano'n.
para makita mo naman siya na
Bakit ba gusto mo?
Kasi masyado tayo naka-upright buong buhay natin.
Yan.
Tingnan mo naman siya ng onting ganyan. Okay, so be more considerate for this year. Now, I got here Queen of Coins. It's the richest queen. So, I can see here na success. It's
Yes.
within your reach.
Yan, tamang nangyari.
At pagdating sa The Lovers, love life, it's also within your reach. Now, what's holding you back? Sa The Hanged Man. So, ayun.
Is there's a chance na siya na yung girl for me?
Or trying to prove something for other people, or maybe to survive something that you're having right now.
Nasa tamang tao ba ako o nasa maling tao?